How's it going, guys? All right, so we just got to Puerto Vallarta skate park. I believe this is the only skate park in the area, and it looks like a lot of it is DIY, like made by the skaters. Not really sure, probably find out as the day goes on, but yeah, this park looks incredible. A lot of bowl corners, perfect mini ramp right here. Can't really ask for more. All right, let's cruise around and get the legs warmed up. Nice to meet you. How are you?
Fine.
How's everything?
Mira, Wally.
Nice to meet you, man. Chad. How are you?
Marcus.
From San Francisco? Nice, welcome.
Nice to meet you. What's your name?
Chad.
Chad.
Yeah. This is your local?
Yeah. And everybody painted, you know, like we all painted.
Oh, really?
Yeah, we made the park actually.
Really?
Yeah.
What about the ramps? Did you guys make those
Yeah.
too? Really?
I have a video.
Really?
Yeah, of everything done.
I saw some of your videos when I was doing research.
Yeah.
They said that one was the hardest to build.
The big one?
Kept falling over.
So you say it's Kariie, right?
Kariie.
Okay.
My name is Karina.
Karina.
But I like to be called Kariie.
Okay. Have you lived here your whole life?
I live a little bit in Mexico.
Okay.
But most of all here, yeah.
Yeah?
It's a small paradise town because it's small.
Yeah.
But it's pretty and the beaches are very nice too.
How long has this park been here?
This far? Ooh, how many years? 30? Maybe? But yeah, it was nothing, you know?
Yeah.
Like just a wave, no ramp, no anything. I think boys do a rail and a small box, you know?
Yeah.
And then we keep improving.
Yeah. So 13 years and they just started adding things.
Exactly.
Little things and stuff.
The story says that the president has a son that skates, so he asked him to build this like a spot, and that's why how it is, you know?
Really?
Yeah.
So the president gave money to build the ramps, or?
To build this when all it started.
Oh, okay.
But it was nothing, you know? All the part because it was a small town.
Oh, that's awesome.
Yeah. Yeah, it's nice.
That's really. Like hip to backside airs that helped you?
Well, recently I learned if you kind of alley-oop it, it works really well.
Really?
Yeah, because it stays behind you. You know what I mean? Because every time I do a backside air before, it would just push me out. You know what I mean?
I think I know what you mean.
I was coming trying to do carve it more.
Okay.
But if you alley-oop it, kind of go the reverse way.
Really?
Yeah, it works.
I have to try that. Yeah. So what is it again?
Chocalas.
Chocalas?
Okay. Like high five, you know?
All right.
Chocalas. Yeah.
Yeah. So, how long have you been skating?
Like 10 years now.
10 years?
10 years.
Okay, and how old are you?
And 32.
32?
Yeah.
What got you into skating?
So I win a skateboard on the internet.
Yeah?
So in my old school they used to skate and surf and everything.
Yeah.
And one day they bring one and I stand up a little bit, you know. And then I like it and I thought I have one. I win one board from a new brand, you know.
Yeah.
And I wanted to use them. So that's how it started.
What have you learned from skateboarding for the past 10 years?
Wow, I think I've been learning a lot. It gave me confidence as a person, you know, in my real life. Like, I feel like I can do anything, like anything is possible, you know. And the feeling of landing a trick or just hanging out with my friends with the skateboard, that sensation is really cool.
Yeah.
Yeah, made me grow up, meet new people, new places, travel around the world. Or I think the best years, be trust in yourself, believe in yourself, and do it. If you like it, no matter what else think about you, no matter the age or anything, you know, just do it and forget the rest. Just enjoy the moment. Because if you see, when we skate, we don't think about the laundry we have to wash, you know. So live here now.
That's incredible.
Thank you.
Yeah, thank you. All right, Karie's gonna do a tray flip up the big bank right here for us. Oh my God. Oh. Wow. That one was perfect. All right, it's going down this track. Do it. Wow. Yes. Hell yes. What's up?
Is it the first time you came here?
First time.
In Mexico too, or?
Yeah. Yeah.
Wow.
Yep. It feels pretty safe over here.
Safe, yeah, it is.
Yeah.
People is really nice.
Yeah.
And in the nights, in the late nights, like 6 o'clock or 5 to ahead, is more full of all the people and the energy is very,
Yeah.
you know, like
Is there more like tourists and stuff like that too?
a lot of people came here from
Yeah.
another places of the world. So one day you can meet someone from San Diego, or you know.
Yeah.
And
Or me.
how are you from New York? Another day, yeah. Another day you can meet someone from other place, you know. Vallarta is becoming more known.
Yeah.
You know? I think so. Why do you decide to?
So I took this trip to Mexico because my friend Brian,
Brian.
who made the film Build
Ramps No
Ramps,
Walls.
yeah,
I
Build
am
Ramps
there.
No Walls, yeah.
Yeah.
And that's when I decided to come to Mexico and check it out, and then yeah.
Yeah. Killing it. ¿Cuál vas a volar?
Yo, uno más,
¿Cuál?
Bigfoot.
Vas a hacer. He's flying this one.
All right, guys, that's gonna wrap it up for the session today. Huge thanks to Kariie for meeting up and just telling me about the local scene. She's got a really cool YouTube channel. She makes music and art, does like tutorials, things like that, and skating. So I'll link that up in the description so you guys can check it out. Show her some love because she killed it today. And yeah, that's it. I'll see you guys soon.